Okay, day after, I put the new battery on the slow charger all overnight. That looks good. I left all my GPS and all that stuff disconnected yesterday. It got kind of dark.